Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video, I wanted to share with you this new laminator that I was sent from QFUN Laminator. Guys, this is a bigger laminator than what I'm used to. Let me measure out these the biggest laminating sheets. This measures 17 inches by, looks like, let me see, my magnets are in the way, by almost 13 inches, you guys. So this is gonna fit a A3, A4, A5, and A6 size. Okay, I'm not too familiar with the measurements for that, but let me just show you the machine before we get into that. So basically what sets it apart from other laminators is that it has a wider format, guys. You're going to be able to laminate things that are much bigger than what you're usually, get with a regular laminator. Now let's talk about color options. Okay, I went with the white one. This is the white one here. This is how the front looks, the top, the very top of it. I love that it has these things right here. It says that it's hot, keep away from kids, away from metal, and don't touch this, okay? Preheat, speed, and then 6-in-1 storage. And then there's some modes right here on the side, some buttons that you would press to switch the mode. You can do 5 milliliter, 3 milliliter cold, and then this is the on and off button. And when you turn it on the side, this is the front on where you would feed your laminators, and it shows you where to put it. So these are the sizes: A3, A4, A5, and A6, okay? And there are some rubber, here's the back. There is a regular cord that comes with it. And then there's some rubber feet here so that it doesn't like slide on you, on your mats and stuff like that. The rubber feet will help it from not moving or shifting, okay? So let's talk about color options, guys. They actually have this in white or purple, and then they also have a really beautiful metallic pink and green. Now I was gonna go with the green, the pink, but it was a metallic pink. It was a rose color, and I'm really a big baby pink girl, so I decided to go with the white so they can go with my craft room. But I'm gonna leave the options, the color options, down below for all 4, okay guys? And that right now I just looked at the link, and there is a 20% off coupon, so make sure you guys click on that before you check out if you want to save a little extra. But I'm going to be doing a demo of this, but I want to just share with you guys how this looks out the box. And I love, again, that it's a big format. So let me see what comes in here. So they sent a few laminated sheets, and as I told you, this measured 17 by 13. Huge. There's a few in here. Let me see how many you get with it. It looks like there's 3 of that size, 3 of this size. I need to learn my A sizes, like the A2, A4, A3. I need to learn those measurements. You guys can school me in the comments. So we have this size that measures, and this looks like your typical laminating sheet, in my opinion. This is 12 1/4 by 8 3/4. So there's 4 sizes in here, you guys. That huge one, this one, and then we have 3 of each. This next size here is 9 by 6.5. 9 by 6.5. And then there's a teeny tiny one. Look at how cute these are, you guys. 3 of these, and this is 6.5 inches by 4.5. Okay, so you have all these different sizes to play with as soon as you get this. There is a user manual for lamination. It shows you how to laminate. And guys, this thing is so cool. I've never seen anything like this before, personally. Let me show you the top. The top has a hidden compartment. Look at this. You open it, and there's actually some accessories that come with this, guys. It comes with a paper trimmer, and this one came with the black one, so I'm not sure what the other colors would come with. And guys, if you order that pink or that green and you do a video, tag me, because I would love to see how that pink one looks. I might end up buying another one and getting the pink one if I like it, but I really wanted to go with the white one. You also get a corner rounder to round the edges of your whatever you laminate. and put this in the right way. There we go. You get 3 binder rings and 3 different sizes. And I love that this has this, guys, because you know what? To be honest with you, my stuff will get lost in my craft room. So I will replenish these with color ones. We all own color rings. So throw some of your favorite rings inside there. There's a hole puncher, really cute and tiny. And then there's an extra blade, okay? So this is so cute, you guys. Make sure you guys snatch this. I think this is an amazing deal. This is really cool. Again, and then this goes right here. You make sure that this little cutter, that it goes directly into this little hole right here. And then you just snap it closed, guys. And this is so cute. I'd never seen anything with storage inside of here like that. So again, QFUN Laminator. I'm going to be back with another video, and I'm going to do a demo, and we're going to create some cute projects with this. I already have some things in mind, and I can't wait to load this bad baby up, guys. Go run and snatch this. Thank you, QFUN, for sending this to me. I'm excited to play with a new toy. And QFUN, come out with a baby pink one of this. That would be so cute. It'll sell out so quick. But guys, if you purchase that pink one or that dark green one, please, once again, even if you just send me pictures, if you don't do YouTube videos, send me pictures. But if you do a video, please tag me, because I really would. I'm curious to see what that one's gonna look like. All right. So that's it for this video. This is just the unboxing. I'll have all the links down below for you guys to check out this fun laminator. And I will be back next week probably with some ideas on how to use this, guys. So order it now, so then when I do the video, you got it on hand and you can go ahead and craft along with me. All right. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.